Hello, my people. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. Now me, I be una daughter, I be una sister. Now me come. Another news don't come out. Now I see myself to carry come meet you now. Yes, this news, I believe some of now don't see and some of now never see. This our pastor from Uyo, something from Nigeria. Let me just say Nigeria. I go put the video for there. My people, me una hear wetin dey happen. Hey, nothing, nothing gate man no see for gate. I be nothing who no see for gate. Yeah, I leave that one. My people, this church pastor and the assistant pastor they date choir mistress. You don't hear right? It don't sad you. Hey, pastor and assistant pastor they divaga choir mistress. Assistant pastor no, pastor no. Two of them they you know. Now one day now pastor cause say I don't reach to engage. Now he engage his girlfriend. Now assistant pastor collapse. Oga wetin come make you collapse? Later I don't see break the news come and say na lie na this. No be lie. My pastor, you when you dey marry your choir mistress, you don't already find out say your assistant pastor see they marry, see they disvag, see they you know, see they do one. My pastor or my brother, please, that kind of a woman, if you marry her, that assistant pastor, you go still they come. Now, don't be me talking. He go still they come, you go see they do vagaran. He go see they do vagaran. Not say because of you be pastor. Here when they will say here, now they kill many people for this world. Here when they will say here when let people say, let them say. You don't already find out say now because of you engage girl when you say you want marry your assistant pastor collapse, you will still go ahead. I beg my pastor think where not if he say na bad thing. Now the woman go blame because if they do vaga you, they do vaga your assistant pastor. My brother, please do know what you go do. I know if he say na your hand pastor, whether you be pastor, you go marry him. You don't understand? You will marry, but I just want to give you this my chicken advice. If not true, that woman not deserve to be marry. If no. If you be my brother, I will call you, sit down, tell you, say, bro, or my brother, this woman not want to be a wife. Because the same church, they do vaga you, they do vaga sister pastor. That might say I don't say pastor, they do vaga before they marry. But this lady not deserve you. That's so I talk am. Because if as your assistant pastor come out now, see put the he right talk for there, say he just see they happy and he not faint. This and this. Now lie.